Since our founding in 1891, University of Wisconsin-Stout has been distinguished by its model of applied, hands-on education in specialized disciplines. As a Polytechnic university, we've evolved through the decades, driven by innovation and a commitment to preparing our graduates to lead in the workforce. This long-range plan presents a bold vision for a new, sustainable, flexible campus befitting our mission. As soon as you arrive on campus at Sorensen Hall, you will be immersed in what makes UW-Stout different. You will experience a new innovation hub, a flexible and modern building that hosts interdisciplinary teaching laboratories, industry partnerships, and expanded makerspaces. You will discover new, unimagined opportunities in a renovated Swanson Library and Learning Center. And as you flow through the heart of campus along a new pedestrian corridor and among the student center and academic buildings, you will feel an undeniable air of creative, practical, and social energy. Within these buildings, you will discover modern laboratories and studios that outnumber traditional classrooms by 3 to 1. Spaces outfitted with the latest technology and equipment to ensure the future-focused instruction of our students. UW-Stout's future campus will present a living example of how applied learning and research, in partnership with business and industry, prepare our students to do more on day one of their careers.